crochet, you will almost always have to chain some stitches. Normally it'll be 3. So here I am chaining 3 in order to turn my row. So now I have turned and I am going to work into these stitches that are in front of me. I will yarn over, then I will go into the first stitch. In my case it's also the stitch that my chain is coming out of. Then I enter and I grab the yarn on the other side with my hook and pull it back through the stitch. And then I pull up. I'm going to go and yarn over again and pull through 2 of the loops, leaving 1. So now I have my new loop and the existing loop, so I have 2 loops left. Then I will yarn over again and go through those 2 loops, and this is the end of 1 double crochet. To do another one, I yarn over, then I go into the next stitch, that is the next V in front of me. And looking from the side, it's the next hole in front. Then I yarn over and pull back through the stitch and pull up again. Now I'm going to go and yarn over, pull through those 2 stitches first, leaving 2. Then I will yarn over again and pull through those 2. And as I mentioned in the slow motion video of doing single crochet, when my hook is moving backwards, the yarn is moving on my left hand. So here it's moving a little bit, then I enter the stitch, now it's locked, I'm holding tightly on the yarn because my hook is moving forward. I go and grab the yarn and then I loosen my grip a little bit on the yarn so that when I pull back, the yarn is again moving. Then I pull up and I make sure that those loops are of a decent size. I grab the yarn again and pull through, having my yarn move. So here you can see again, when I go to grab the yarn, I am holding it tightly. When I go to pull it, I am holding it lightly, if you will. I'm holding it loosely so that I can actually pull back and there will be some yarn left on the stitch. Otherwise it will be very, very tight. And also if you don't actually hold the yarn tight when you go to yarn over or do other things, you'll also get well, stitches that aren't the tightness that you want. They'll just be really big. So I will continue to crochet here, and I hope that this is slow enough for those of you who cannot normally see what I am doing when I am crocheting in my videos. I hope that you will write to me if you have problems, and have a nice day.